Hey guys, welcome back to my video. On today, we'll be doing a double unboxing. One from Marc Jacobs and the other one from our beloved favorite, Louis Vuitton. So, we went on a spontaneous trip over to Miami and we did a little shopping. So, and this was Saturday or Sunday. I think Sunday. Yeah, Sunday. It'll be on the receipt though. But Sunday, I want to say that was whenever we had went to Marc Jacobs and Louis Vuitton. So, no further ado, let's get started, shall we? Okay, so in the first unbagging, I will be showing you all what I got over at Louis Vuitton. Take a guess though, what it is. So, I did pick up the, okay, I'm not even just going to butcher this, but pretty much it's a cologne. It's the 100 milliliter one. And the price, and you know, it always comes in this little envelope. Let me see. So I got this at the LV store in the mall in Aventura, Florida. Aventura. But yes, the 100 milliliter, and it was $265. However, after tax, it was $283.55. Just making sure. But yeah, that's the receipt. So yes, that was $283.55, and it was on the 23rd. So January 23rd is whenever I purchased this. Okay, I'll put that back up. And you guys, this is my first time unboxing any or unbagging any of these items, so I waited for you guys to do it. So, okay, so right here on the side, it's like a little perforated area there. So I guess you just pull it straight on down. Yep. Pull it straight on down, just like that. Okay, guys. Okay, there we go. So it just opens up like that. And this is my very first cologne from Louis Vuitton. So yeah. Okay, that's so cute. Okay, I'm sorry. But see right there? So it says Louis Vuitton right there. And literally just open like that. Okay, you guys, and I guess it's the Nouvelle Monday. I don't know. I know I just butchered that, but this is the name of it. And you guys, oh my God. It smells so good. It smells so good. Like, let me see. Oh gosh, that was a lot. Like, to me, like, it smells almost like a candle, like, you know, like when like a candle like is burning, kind of like you burn the candle, like it smells like that. But it smells so good. Like, oh my God, y'all have to try this one. Like, I love it. It smells so good because it's so different. And now the sales associate that helped, she was okay. However, she was just getting kind of I didn't say forgetful, but I don't know. Like, she was getting ready to tell me about how, I guess, like, you can get it refilled. She was like, yeah, you know that you can get a refill and it'd be much cheaper. And then all of a sudden she just kind of spaced out. I was like, okay. But anywho, I'm not gonna run out anytime soon though, so that'll be fun. I was gonna get my initials on it, but then you know how it is, kind of like when you're in the heat of the moment with buying something for a little time, you almost forget. At least I did. I forgot. Once I left out of there, then I was like, oh shoot. But then I looked back at the line and I was like, yeah, I don't think it's worth all that. But, so that was that. So I did purchase the cologne from Louis Vuitton, so that was that. That's what I got from there. The next item comes from Marc Jacobs, and can you guys guess what it is? Y'all probably already guessed it, because right now this is like it's one of the hot items from this particular designer here. So it is the tote bag. So I like the style of it. It was really nice. Let me see. This is, because I got this and a Louis Vuitton on the same day. So I was just trying to see this show. Yep, January 23rd. Okay, and this particular bag here, it was originally $275, but then after tax, it came out to be $294.25. Let's see right there. I hope you can see that. But yeah, but I got this also at the Aventura, Florida, at the Aventura Mall by Marc Jacobs. I really like this bag a lot because it's different. So this particular one here is the denim style, and they literally only had this one here left. They had to dig, and it was like, I hope you know this is the only one we have left. So I was like, okay, I'll take it. And so I'm just reading off some specs. So it's saying the size is 1SZ, so I'm assuming that means small. And the color is 422 blue denim. If y'all know like how to read all that, this is the information there. Okay. That's that. So let's open it together. This is my first time. And you guys, so let's see. So this is like a canvas so far. Okay. Take this off the strap. Just like that. And then let me take it off the handles. But yeah, do you all have the tote bag? If you all have it, comment down below. Let me know what color, what style, what size you have. And if you like it, is it worth it? Is it not worth it? I'm not gonna lie, I really just wanted it because I've seen so many people with it. And so it just kind of grabbed my eye, caught my attention. I'm sorry guys, I am over here struggling to get this plastic and stuff off of here. This is a true unboxing, true unbagging. Okay. Got off the handles. So this is the bag here. So this is the front. It says the tote bag, Marc Jacobs. I love this jean print. And then on the back here, it has the brown leather tab here that says the Marc Jacobs style tote bag and the location, all of that. Then up here also has like the little leather handle here, which is really, really nice. And then you just unzip it here like that. That's really nice. And then you got, so let me tell y'all, so this is like one of my first Marc Jacob pieces. Okay, so the inside, okay, so you can see like the inside of it's like, to me it's like a dark blue navy color on the inside. Then it has the silica packing in here. And then, oh wow. Okay, this has a lot of pockets, huh? Like it's really deep in there. Like you see that's pretty deep. And then right here, you have a zipper. You have a zipper compartment here, and I like that. And then right below that, you have 2 additional pockets here. So you got your zipper compartment right here, and then you also have your 2 pockets here. Okay, that's pretty nice. And I like how they have all your hardware and everything was wrapped up. That's nice. Okay. And then it just got, I guess, some little side handles, I guess. Or one side handle. Okay. So that's that. And then, let me see. So then it comes with a strap. And then let me tell y'all, you know what? Let me tell y'all something real quick. So, you know they have like the little bags and stuff on the display, right? So, me kind of thinking like, you know, I never really bought nothing from Marc Jacobs before. However, they had like, it was another bag. It was more of like a, kind of a creamy, beigey green color. And it had like a nice little strap on it. And I was like, oh, this is nice. And you know how you just kind of look at something and you see the tag. So it said 80, it was like 80 something, 85. So I was like, oh shoot, okay, so the bag and this strap was only 85. I was like, well shoot, that's pretty cheap. And so then it was another strap inside of it that was just like a black color. And so I said, oh wow, I said, ma'am, so for $85 you getting a you know, that's a pretty good size bag and 2 straps. And she was like, oh no, that's just the strap, the additional strap. I was like, oh, okay, I should have known. Like, you want to get, you know, a pretty designer bag and 2 straps for less than $100. But that's what I thought. But however, the strap that comes with this one is very, very nice. So it's the dark blue that matches more of the interior color. And it is adjustable, so that's good. And it does have the silver hardware. So I'm just going to, oh my goodness, y'all, I need to learn how to speak. So I am going to attach the strap to the bag. And I am going to adjust it to my liking. And I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so this is how I look with the strap. And then let me see about adjusting it. Okay, so let me see. Child, I know this thing adjusts more than that, right? Oh, hold on. Let me see. Okay, maybe it don't. But let me see. So, okay. So let me go ahead and adjust. Okay, guys. So right now I do have it adjusted to, I would say, to its maximum length that it can go all the way down to, which I am about 6 feet tall, about 190. So this is how it looks on me. Mind you, I know my outfit. I'm looking pretty shot out, but you know, this is pretty much it. I like it. It's very comfortable. Like, it's very comfortable. It's very, very lightweight. So yeah, you guys. So that would be the tote bag. I think this will be in a size small. But yeah, I honestly like it. I like the fact that it can zip up so that everything that you have in here can be, you know, secure and everything like that. So I do like it. My next video will probably be what I put in it, like what I keep in it. And then I do maybe like a few months, I'll do a how I feel about the bag. But all right, you guys, so that's my unboxing of the Louis Vuitton Cologne and my Marc Jacobs the tote bag. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help your boy out, okay? And I hope you guys have an awesome night, wonderful day, and be blessed, okay? Bye.